Hi everyone. Today I'm going to be doing a Halloween inspired video. I'm going to be pouring on 3 pumpkins using Meeden fluid acrylic paint, and it's a basic set. Also, I'm doing giveaway. I'm going to be giving away 3 prizes of this set of Meeden fluid acrylic paint, and it's a basic set. There are 6 colors in the set. We've got white, titanium white, medium yellow, medium green, Mars black, cerulean blue, and scarlet red. I'll just show you the take it off there. These are the bottles. They are 2 fluid ounces. Okay, so that is what the giveaway is for. There's 3 sets. There'll be 3 sets of these given away. The contest runs from now until October 29th. On October 30th, I'll be doing the draw. I'll draw 3 winners. And October 31st, I'll be announcing the winners on my Instagram channel. Also, on my YouTube channel, I'll be making a short video of the winners. So I'll be doing this contest on YouTube, also on Instagram, and I'll be sharing it also to Facebook. So how you can enter on YouTube, you have to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment below in the description below the video, what is your favorite Halloween character? On Instagram, the way to enter is follow at meeden.art and follow myself, Susan King Artist. Like this post and tag 2 friends and comment also your favorite Halloween character. Also share this post in your story. On Facebook, it'll be pretty much the same thing. Like, follow, tag 2 friends, comment. Okay, so that's that. I will write all the information on each post, and also I will leave a couple of links in my description on the YouTube, on my YouTube channel, and also in Instagram. The Meeden Art website. I have a coupon code for 10% off any Meeden product that you would like to order, and I'll have the link for this particular set of fluid acrylic paint, basic colors. Okay, so what I'll be doing, I've got 3 pumpkins. They're small pumpkins. I've already cleaned out the inside, and I have the tops, but I'm pouring from the bottom to the top, and then I'm just going to paint the tops of them. And first of all, I'm going to put a base paint on the pumpkins before I actually pour the paint. So it's just so that the when I do the pouring on top, the paint will adhere to the pumpkin. Okay, I'm back, and I've put a base coat on all 3. I'm not really sure if I'm going to do all three. See how far the paint goes. So I'm going to start with, I've got orange and purple. I made orange out of the yellow and red, and I made purple out of the blue and red. I've got some black as well. So let's see how it goes. They're not quite thin enough to run down. I'm trying to pour it this way a little bit. So I'm going to have to thin them down a bit with some water.